Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of triacs and their role as the main switching element controlling AC current. Let's assemble the basic circuit for asynchronous triac switching using only 3 components: a Triac BT139, a 220 ohm resistor and an ordinary on-off switch. You can copy the images from the link given in the description section. With just 3 simple, cost-effective components, unleash the power to control your heavy AC loads with our incredibly efficient AC switch. Now we have replaced the switch with a mini push switch to control the motor. Replacing the mini push switch with the reed switch, now control your motor's on-off function effortlessly. We will now assemble the Triac switch within a switch box for a more practical setup. Follow the diagram on the screen to establish the connections accordingly. Connect the Triac switch to the mains power supply. This ordinary switch effortlessly controls nearly 2000 watts of AC load. The Triac activates when the switch is pressed, conducting current to the load, until the end of the AC half cycle, or when the gate current falls below a certain level, signaling its deactivation. In summary, our project showcases the effortless substitution of expensive heavy-duty switches, with standard ones, enabling efficient control over heavy AC loads, with minimal investment.